Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss lesson 6 from your textbook. The name of the lesson, Who I Am. Before you read, see what has been written. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. I think in your class, suppose Ram is very good in drawing. You can see Syam is very good in singing. On the other hand, other child, Ramesh, may be very good in mathematics. So, all the children in your class have different abilities and capabilities. So, we can say all are good in different ways. The thing, the same thing we are going to discuss in this lesson. Who I am, part 1. Many voices. First is Radha. You can see in the picture. Radha says, my favorite activity is climbing trees. Radha is a girl and she likes to climb on trees. So she says, my favorite activity. Favorite means that one likes most. Radha says, my favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. What is fork? To separate into branches. That is called the place in a tree fork of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible. Sensible means intelligent for girls to climb trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the trees, I feel like I can rule the whole world. This is thinking about Radha, about herself. Now you see other child who is Nasir or Nasir. He says, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Do you know who is collector? Collector, one who gathers something called collector. So he wants to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. He says, my grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be shown to grow new plans during the next year. But today that does not work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds. Preserve means to save from harm. Seeds, preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So, this is you saw the hobby of Nasir. Next child is Rohit. You can see Rohit in your book. If I had a huge amount of money, huge means big amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. What is a raft? A float of timber or drums that is called raft. I want to live, Rohit says, I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep. Beaches are coasts, sea coasts of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. Coral is a hard, colorful sea product that is coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Odisha or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. So you can say Rohit is a nature lover. The next child is Sarabjit. See his interest, that is Sarabjit. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. I think this is common with all. For example, if I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it was not me but my little brother who has started the fight. Or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I don't show that I am angry, says Sarabjit. Next is Dolma. See, what does she say? Dolma says, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me, what to do when they have a problem. And my teacher always trusts me, means believes me. When something needs to be done in school, I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures, means remedy for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. These are the hopes of Dolma. Next child is Peter. Peter says, my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the ticket in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. Dear children, here you saw the interest of many children. I think you have also your hopes. Can you tell? Can you think about your hopes? Can you tell me? Can you tell your hopes to your parents? Yes, this may be your homework. So, after listening this lesson, you have to tell about your hopes. What do you want to do in future when you grow up? So, this is very interesting lesson for you. Now, there are some exercises working with the text. Answer the following questions. Can you tell? Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because I think you can search from your textbook. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because he goes with his whole family to the cinema hall to see a film. Next, Nasir wants to learn what? To preserve seeds. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because she wants to make things better for everyone. Write true or false against each of the following sentences, statements. Peter is an old and only child. Peter is an only child. This is false. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. No, this is also false. Nasir lives in the city. No, this is also false. And Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. This is true. Dear children, I think you listen this video again and again. And next day, we shall discuss part 2, multiple intelligence of this lesson. So I hope you will do better. I think you should do all these exercises which we have discussed today. So do complete these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.